I'm not worried about scuffing this up. Just the part of the door that is staying. I can still see my pencil mark right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1/8 of an inch because I want to have that reveal at the top right here. And I can measure from the top right here, 9 15/16, and make that same mark over here. 9 15/16. Now I have to decide what I'm going to cut that with, and I have an idea. You could use a circular saw to cut this, as long as it has a bunch of teeth like this, a fine finish blade, or if you use a metal blade, there's probably foam in between these two very thin sheets of metal. I'm going to use this handy little cutoff wheel, and I have my straight edge set up here so that this guard will just ride along here, and hopefully we'll make a nice straight cut all the way down. And I have this set right here, the depth just past just the metal. So I'm going to cut this side, and then I'll flip the door and I'll cut the other side. But first, safety glasses. That looked pretty good. I'm just gonna take this stuff off and flip everything. There shouldn't be as many sparks with a circular saw blade, so if you're concerned with that at all, either cut outside or you can try using a different blade. But this is working pretty good. Might be melting some of the foam in there though. I'm just going to connect these lines, straight cut. Okay. Oh yeah, melting a little bit. Yeah, maybe doing this outside is a good idea. Yeah, it's okay.